everyone, welcome to Business Mind, the podcast about strategy and technology. My name is Sophia. Today's topic is generative AI and how leaders should bring it into their business strategy. There's a simple idea at the heart of this conversation. Technology changes fast, but organizations change much more slowly. So the hard part isn't adopting new tools. It's changing how people actually work. Think about four areas where this matters most: customer experience, operations, business models, and employee experience. Not every area is the same. Some systems follow strict rules. Some use statistics, some use deep learning, and some generate brand new content. The best results usually come from combining generate AI, traditional AI, and human judgment together. Start small, use AI for personal productivity first, then for specific roles, and only later for direct customer interactions. Before you choose a solution, ask, how accurate does this need to be? What's the cost if it's wrong? Do we need to explain the answer? And how sensitive is our data? That's for today. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time on Business Mind.